Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Monzo app not working. All right, let's begin. So you might be facing this problem due to a connectivity issue. That's why you have to make sure that you are connected to stable Wi-Fi. Once you have the strong network connection, the next thing you want to do is head over to your app store, and then, in the search bar, simply search for Monzo. Move into this app right here. Instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the reason that you are having the issue. If that's the case, click on Update and update your app. Once you have the latest version of the app, now the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of your device. Inside Settings, move into General, and then on this page, head over to iPhone Storage. Search for the application Monzo. Once you find it, move into it. Now what you want to do is click on Offload App, and then once again click on Offload App. Offloading the app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Monzo app not working. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.